So, I go there. I do have the anything from the phone when we wanted to sell it for the Damola. So Damola asked him to Abdullah's TikTok and texted the Omefabi. He told the Omefabi that he has evidence of where I pushed his brother. Like he was impersonating Abdullah. Okay. She understand, hello, I have a video where Wunmi pushed my brother. I have a video where Wunmi did this and that. And so the Omefabi was trying to flow with him. So he's requested for money. I think he said he wanted 3 million naira. But before he said he does not have much. Like, they were just bargaining on what's the. Then everybody said he should just at least send like few clips. They kept on, bargaining. Like, so the guy said, the Damola guy said he needs money. So when everybody said she just at least send him like 3-second clip just so that he can be sure before sending him the money. The guy even sent a Bitcoin account. He didn't say they know that it is traceable. So he sent a Bitcoin account. And he now said 3 seconds of that video of myself and my friend who is Zomo. The other guy his name is Zomo. And you know what he did? He now blurred the face. But you know that my husband is not in the video. So he blurred the face.
No, Emma, the host don't see. The husband cannot be in the video. Any suru don't go far. The husband cannot be in the video because he's the one recording. According to her. Okay. That's true. What contradicted her?
His name is Zomo. And you know what he did? He now blurred the face. But you know that my husband is not in the video. So he blurred the face and just left where the noise is from the G understand. And
I to play like true
family ló máa jẹ gbọ́n.
Bọ̀dá Bánjí ẹ̀yin náà lọ sẹ́wọ̀n.
Ojú ti kọjú dá.
Mo ń ṣeré ni Bọ̀dá Bánjí ẹ má jẹ́ kẹ́rù báyìí. Bọ̀dá Bánjí ẹ kú gàdí dáadáa jẹun dáadáa jẹun.
Go.
Èmi Bọ̀dá Bánjí máa ti máa gbọ̀n báyìí. Bọ̀dá Bánjí.
Kí ló kà wọ́n tí ó fẹ́ mẹ́rin wọn gbẹ?
Bọ̀dá Bánjí ṣe mọ̀ kan tó bá bọ̀ láti. Bọ̀dá Bánjí àkọ́kọ́ pẹ́tíṣọ́pù.
Ọ̀bùrúkú ọmọ tó bá dì í o. Láti jẹ́ kó jẹ́ kí social media ó sinmi.
This boss, I don't even understand. What about you? Let this guy be. Let's if I be your man. Let him just be. Let him just do whatever I want to do. That's why I say you should not message him. Message him like this. Stop making him feel like maybe I have something I'm hiding or something. No. I just heard it from Sukomi that you know him or something. That was why I sent you a voice, a chat yesterday. So you knew somebody like this and is out there like bullying me and Liam. So that was why, not because I knew I would just text me, I won't even allow it. I don't like it. Because now I start feeling like, maybe I'm trying, like I'm being scared or something. Let him keep doing his thing. Like, the only thing I just know for you is that if whatever he's doing it on a good faith. Even if he didn't rip it, his kids will rip it. Because every damn thing that he has done today, he will definitely. Because he didn't do anything. When he wanted to, do you know what happened? The first live video that this guy did was arrest Wunmi now. That was how I got to know him. Like, that was how I got to know him. I really not even know him like that. The first interview he did was arrest Wunmi. Now, what did I do to you? Why would you just come to me to just attack me like that? And, like, as an educated person, just because a lot of people have been taking chances online, and it feels like, oh, this girl. That was the first interview, that first live video that he did on Instagram. That was I got to search him. And no, he has even blocked me. I don't even know him. Because I barely went Yoruba movie. That was how I got to know him. So that's like he has even attacked me even before, before getting really involved in this case. And so what do I want to do? I should go and meet him. Why? When all you do is to attack one and you have your own kids too. So he's talking about Kilo Mankwe. What is it called? Like Shebi Omo Yoruba Gongono ni Yomi Fabi, Yomi Fabi is Omo Yoruba now. Somebody that was I did this live video even before Liam clocked a year old. One of the Bamba supporters said, "To buy petrol, Liam, for sure to my fish." As a mother, that's what I don't compare. And then I was still in pains and all of that. Right now, there was not anybody. Any one of them want to do that will get to me again, because I have healed, and I really do not give two fucks about whatever they are doing to me online anymore, because they cannot kill me. Never. Liam will not be an orphan. That is one thing that I promised myself. And that guy was cursing my baby. This was like few months after my husband's demise. Then I had an outburst on Instagram. I went on live. I was screaming. I said, Liam Oniku, if it's not being hypocrite, what does that mean? Because Liam I don't care. She keeps doing this thing. Nothing like me. I'm not popular. I don't know people. I feel not just that I feel. It's saying, no, you don't text me again. Let him keep doing his thing. Everything that he's doing to me, that he has done to me, he has done to my that. Not even me. Me, I am old enough to handle myself. That innocent baby. I think I'm suffering. I feel bad. Because all their kids have to feel the same thing Liam feels. All of their kids. Is that saying don't text him. You text him. It will be as if, maybe I have something. Let him keep doing his thing. Because somebody told me that you knew him. I was like, really? You knew Yomi Fabi? You knew somebody like that, and he was still out there pushing me and doing all of those things without you even trying to call him. Like, do you understand? If Julie is seeking for the real justice, he never called me. He just went out there to start attacking me. Arrest me now. Did you call me? There's nobody that has called me with a genuine fear that I didn't explain every damn thing that happened to. I literally explained every damn thing. They said only Mojo Asha White. Do I even know what it is called? It was a white clip and a Bible. And that Asha White, I have like money allow me till now. It also allowed me to now. It was even later I got to ask my mom, my mom was not even Nigerian. What does that thing mean? And a lot of some people like Asha, and like I have this to tweet so that I cannot always to remind him. Like one year they cannot cut it to. So I have one so and I don't even know. It was Asha White and Bible, but that day they put it so early, they were unable to get the Bible. I don't even know what is it called, what it was called until later. She gave me a mentally stable. As a only rider to 3 a.m. Rider buy me at the Dabosha at 3 a.m. They wanted to go to the pharmacy to get the pharmacy to come to the house. Most of them said it's not going, and they just had to buy Cloman, Panadol and spirits with Continue. They now brought it to the house. That was what they did. It was the private driver that took them to the pharmacy. So whatever, just stop texting Yomi Fabi again. Just stop texting me. If you see texting, I won't even ask you what I asked you, but I just did because I just needed to know, like, why did you know this kind of person? And this kind of person is doing all of these things to me. Because it was somebody that told me like a few days ago that, do I know that you know Yomi Fabi? I was like, really? But I'm not Yomi Fabi. How? Where? How? Where? You don't really show me. He never called me, never done anything. Like, if we don't want to face, okay, no problem. My father-in-law, like me and him were not in good terms. So that Jimmy, and I know that if me with mama, my man say, oh, come here, mama, he won't have issues with me. But because despite everything that I said about that woman towards me and my husband, we choose to accept that woman. Yeah, Timon Jello Baba in here. Can you not want to use my husband? I don't want it. me and Karimo first ohun la just so. Okay, Motiri once. The second time, Tima Rika Mola Yemi that just was after my husband demise. And she's been all out there lying to people, spilling things that she doesn't. That Karimo don't even know me. Second, don't think that Karimo just knew Yemi 26 years of my life was after my husband demise. She doesn't even know me. She only spoke to my husband once, but people tend to believe whatever coming out from Kami's mouth because they believe she's my sister, they believe she knows me well. So all of those people like out there screaming whatever they want, they feel like doing. What's the problem? But this Yomi Fabi, like the only reason I'm just like kind of shocked about his own issues that like it sounds educated, and I feel like somebody like as he is, he shouldn't be like easily manipulated. Okay, you heard this. Did you try to reach out to me? A lot of people have heard something about most people that feel that people feel that they are with me today because they actually wished out. They heard from my father-in-law and they reached out to me. They don't even know that my father-in-law is fighting me because of Mama. Most people don't even know. They feel like, oh, he's been attacking me because of justice.
ṣẹ̀sí ni ó máa fi yín làkàlàkà ni àti wọ́n májísírèètì tó ń kọ́ lọ́rọ̀ fún Wùmí o májísírèètì court corona inquest bó ṣe ṣe nìyẹn tó sọ pé Wùmí is a lovely wife ìyá Mohbad ṣe kínní kan ẹ wá blame bàbá Mohbad ṣe wò pé ókè o òun ló fẹ́ tú àṣírí ẹ tó pa ọmọ ẹ yẹn òun ló fẹ́ tú nǹkan tẹ̀ ń bò ẹ wá blame ẹ nìyẹn pé òun ló sáré lọ sin ọmọ but ẹ̀yin àwọn tó dìnnà ẹ̀ ní nǹkan tó yẹ kó fi preserve bọ́dì ọmọ àwọn yẹn wọn ní problem àwọn yẹn wọn ní any issue àwọn tó gbé bọ́dì Mohbad lọ sí hospital tó gbé padà wá sílé wọn ní problem àwọn tó gbé kúrò ní station tó gbé kúrò lé tó gbé lọ sí far away station torí pé wọ́n ti kọ́kọ́ dé station kan ó yẹ tí magistrate yẹn ò di gbogbo testimony àwọn èèyàn o gbogbo 24 lacunas yẹn èyí tí magistrate ò di o even gan tàbí kọ́ máa challenge àwọn lacunas yẹn gan it's not that 24 lacunas tí ó jẹ́ pé ó ti ṣẹlẹ̀ ní ikú Mohbad tẹ́ máa fi mọ̀ pé ikú Mohbad o pé ó lọ́wọ́ nú pé àwọn èèyàn wá pamọ́ nílé ni but kí lẹ ṣe magistrate ẹ mà kọ́bọ̀rọ̀ fún wọn ni nǹkan tó sọ ní WhatsApp group ní 2024 òun ló mọ̀ padà fi pronounce judgement yẹn magistration tóbi magistration nuga ẹ̀yin magistrate wọ̀nyí ẹ̀ ní kú rẹ̀ máa gbọ́mọ yín sí ni ìwọ magistrate tó tún àṣà yìí tó bá ṣe dáadáa tó bá ṣe normal wàá kí ọmọ ẹ̀ sí gbogbo ọmọ ẹ̀ wàá gbé sí wàá fi ọjọ́ alẹ́ wàá fi wàá fi sunkún lórí ọmọ wàá fi ìwúkú wàá fi sunkún lórí ọmọ tó bá ní àbọ̀dé lórí ikú Mohbad yìí tó bá sòótọ́ kó àṣẹ kó ṣe the needful kó ṣe the right thing la fẹ́ àfẹ́ màgòmágó àfẹ́ cancer center DNA àfẹ́ no tissue based DNA test àfẹ́ DNA pẹ́kínì kan magistration tóbi magistration nuga gbogbo ẹ̀ pátá ẹ̀ máa mú nínú kan bí kò ṣe ọmọ ẹ̀ máa gbé sọnù ọmọ ẹ̀ máa gbé sọnù ẹ̀ nínú kan bí ìgbé sọnù lágbára àṣẹ ìgbà gbogbo ẹ̀yin tẹ́ mú tẹ́ gba owó lórí òkú Mohbad gbogbo ẹ̀yin tẹ́ gba instruction lẹ́nu Lagos State Government pé kó má ṣe the right thing gbogbo ẹ̀yin tẹ́ gbọ́ sí wọn lẹ́nu tẹ́ ẹ̀ lè sọ pé no iṣẹ́ yìí mi ì lè ṣe ẹ jẹ́ kí n filẹ̀ at least tó bá mọ̀ pé wọ́n gbéṣẹ́ fún ẹ tó bá rí pé ò lè ṣe ó ṣe fi ṣẹlẹ̀ bí eléyìí tó lọ gbé cancer DNA wá tó lọ gbé cancer wá at least ẹni tó lọ gbé cancer clinic center wá ó ti rí gáà náà iṣẹ́ ìpè ló ń ṣe iye owó ìpè ló ń gbà kí ló ṣe ó yẹ rí ẹ̀ ẹ̀yin tó wà mú ẹ̀yin tó wá ṣe ìmọ̀tòmọ́jọ́ pé tí public bá fẹ́ wá pẹ́ sọ yín pé níbo ni wọ́n ti ní access sí bọ́ọ̀dù Mohbad wọ́n máa sọ pé Wùmí gba kinní kan ó gba kọ́tọ̀dà ni ó dẹ̀ lọ sí kinní kan ó dẹ̀ lọ sí kinní mọ́ọ̀dù yẹn ó dẹ̀ lọ gba kinní kan ó dẹ̀ gbé pathologist lọ́bẹ̀ ẹ máa wá ṣe gbogbo kinní yẹn ó máa look real meanwhile ẹ ti ní result ẹ̀fẹ́ gbé wá why ìtẹ̀ fi ń ṣe ní secretly why tí Wùmí ṣe ń mú ló ṣe tó ṣe ń wá àkúgbà fún bí ẹni ọmọ tó bí tó tẹ̀ mọ̀ pé òun lòún fi fún Mohbad tó pèrè ẹ̀ ní virgin tó sọ pé my husband is virgin me my husband is the father of my baby why tí Wùmí fi lọ ń ṣe secret why Wùmí àní kò ní dáa fún yín sẹ gbogbo ipá wá dá ẹ máa ṣẹ̀sí lórí òkú Mohbad yìí nítorí pé àní dákẹ́ fún yín àní gbà fún yín ọ̀ǹtìgbà tẹ́ bá fún Mohbad ní justice ọ̀ǹtìgbà tẹ́ bá fún ìlérí Olúwa promise ọmọ alọ́ba Emmanuel ọ̀ǹtìgbà tẹ́ bá fún ní justice àní meanwhile kí ló lè ń bẹ̀ pé Wùnmí ní òkè o ẹ lọ fún wa ní I need court order látọdún kẹta rèé court order òun ni bàbá Mohbad ń para lórí DNA court order ẹ wá mú after judgment ẹ tún máa adjourn after judgment ẹ tún máa adjourn after judgment ẹ tún máa adjourn kí lẹ́yìn adjourn DNA kéèsì fún torí pé ẹ ti mọ bàbá bébì torí pé bàbá bébì ó ní ẹ gbúdọ̀ ṣe é pé ẹ gbúdọ̀ trespass ẹ ṣe jáwọ́ pé ẹ lè ṣe pé kó máa lọ sí high court ẹ ṣe jáwọ́ pé ẹ lè ṣe pé kó máa lọ sí Supreme Court àbí kó máa lọ sí kìíní ẹ ṣe jáwọ́ bẹ̀ ẹ ṣe wá wẹ̀ ṣe wá sùrò pé gbogbo public pé we are full we are not a fool àwọn à ń retí yín nǹkan tẹ́ máa ṣe nǹkan tẹ́ ń gbé bọ̀ yẹn à ń retí yín torí pé a mọ̀ pé Mohbad kan ló lọ mọ́ Mohbad kan ló lọ mọ́ ẹ̀yin náà dẹ̀ mọ̀ pé Mohbad kan ló lọ mọ́ òun lẹ ṣe lọ́ọ́ ṣe secret approval DNA tẹ́ ẹ̀ ṣe èyí náà ti jẹ́ pé ẹ máa wà fún the both parties. Why dey fear approve both parties pé kọ́ lọ ṣe tiwọn àbí bàbá Mohbad ò ní kẹ́ máa approve fún Wùnmí ó ní òkè kí Wùnmí lọ ṣe tiẹ̀ kóun náà lọ ṣe tòun wáyé tí kóòtù náà ṣe wá wà nídùú pé àwọn náà fẹ́ ṣe tiwọn so kóòtù àti Wùnmí ẹ ti jọ plan pé kẹgbẹ́ títí yín wá òun lẹ ṣe lọ òun ni àwọn Wùnmí ṣe lọ gbé àwọn kóòtù gbé cancer center wá Wùnmí lọ gbé ibi tó ti ṣe tissue base ó lọ gbé wá ìwọ kóòtù ló ṣe sọ pé kí both parties lọ mú kinní wá because lẹ́sọ̀ pé kí wọ́n pé kí bàbá Mohbad àti Wùnmí o pé you want to verify the center that they wanted to conduct the DNA ẹ̀yin court lẹ́ máa sọ ṣé ẹ̀ wá make enquiries ní kíní tẹ submit fún ẹ̀yin court kíní tẹ submit ṣé ẹ̀ make enquiries ni but ẹ lè make enquiries lórí ti bàbá Alọ́ba ẹ jẹ́ confam pé tissue base ni bàbá Alọ́ba ni titi wọ́n jẹ́ àbí so ẹ make enquiries ẹ ti wá mọ̀ pé cancer center ni pé ó kẹ̀ ṣàjẹ́ ká gbé orúkọ ẹni hospital kan ní ìlú òyìnbó ẹja gbé wá fún wọn pé ó yá àwọn tó fẹ́ ṣe é ní torí pé ẹ ti ní result ẹ rò pé fún ni wá at the end of the day kí lẹ ṣe àṣírí yín tú ẹ cast at the end of the day kí lẹ ṣe ẹ bò mọ́lẹ̀ àṣírí yóò ní kò sẹ́ẹ̀ Mohbad máa kì í ṣẹ̀sìn ni Mohbad máa fún àwọn yín lọ́rùn pa ni ẹ ṣé mà God bless you mà.
Yes, we are watching. We are watching, oh, we are watching. And God is watching everybody. God is watching everybody. And somebody said Baba Mohbad should hold press conference. Honestly, he's supposed to hold press conference. Everybody gbọ́dọ̀ gbọ́ sí. Because this magistrate Shonuga yìí ó yẹ kí wọ́n fi ṣe ẹ̀sín ó yẹ kó ṣe ẹ̀sín gidi honestly ó yẹ kó ṣe ẹ̀sín Awórò kí ló dé èló lè fẹ́ gbà lọ́wọ́ Wùnmí ó yẹ kó ṣe ẹ̀sín gidi ó yẹ kó ṣe ẹ̀sín òtítọ́ korò Ṣọlá Yusuf ṣe fẹ́ bá wa sọ̀rọ̀ ni. Ṣọlá Yusuf òtítọ́ korò. Luna, good evening. Òtítọ́ korò ṣe fẹ́ bá wa sọ̀rọ̀ ní ìsí ẹ̀. Magistrate Ṣótúnbí Ṣónúgà èèyàn ti rí pé olóṣó ọkùnrin òṣónú oṣó yẹn oṣó àjẹ́ náà ló máa ń wọ òṣìtọ́ etí tó ń wí ìkà Ṣónúgà ìkà bó ṣe lọ rìtáyà yẹn ó ti rìtáyà lẹ́kú lọ́wọ́ wàá rí ṣé pé gbogbo owó lèèyàn máa ń gbà ni kò ń ṣe gbogbo owó lèèyàn máa ń gbà náà how come tó fi jẹ́ pé gbogbo owó ni wàá máa gbà gbogbo ejò jíjẹ ni àwọn owó kan wà tó yẹ kéèyàn máa gbà àwọn owó kan wà tí ò yẹ kéèyàn máa gbà Ṣónúgà ó ti jẹ òróró ó ti ṣe oúnjẹ jẹ ìkà burúkú ìkà kí ló dé ó gba owó èló ló gbà nínú owó Mohbad Ṣónúgà àgbàyà bàbá òṣì bàbá àyà bàbá jẹ́ àràbùkà ó ṣàtì ó ti rìtáyà bí ẹ̀yà máa èpè burúkú máa rọ̀ lórí ẹ̀ ìwọ ìkà burúkú yìí àgbà òṣìkà àgbà játijàti àgbàyà tí ò tó lé àgbà tí ò tó lé ìka olè Ṣónúgà olè yẹn náà ìkà burúkú Ṣónúgà ìkà Ṣónúgà. Can you see yourself? Àṣírí ẹ̀ ò ní bò wọ́n máa ń ní àṣírí ààbò bá ń bí àǹlà àṣírí tiẹ̀ ò ní bò láyé. Ṣónúgà olè ẹ bá wa kígbe olè Ṣónúgà olè ó wá farúgbára ṣẹ̀ sí Ṣónúgà olè 419 Ṣónúgà ti farúgbára ṣẹ̀ sí Ṣónúgà farúgbára ṣẹ̀ sí Ṣónúgà farúgbára ṣẹ̀ sí ẹgbà wá o Ṣónúgà ó mà ti. Ẹ ṣe àgbákò Wùmí ẹ̀yin tó yẹ kẹ́ rọra rìtáyà jẹ́jẹ́ kẹ́ ṣe ìwọ̀nba tẹ̀lé ṣe. Ṣónúgà wo bó ṣe ṣe ẹ̀sìn ó ti torí ọmọ kékeré ó ti torí nǹkan tí wàá jẹ ẹ ò bẹ́ẹ̀ ṣe bá nǹkan tẹ́ máa jẹ́jẹ́ ìwọ yìí náà ni wà ní kọ́mọ ẹ̀ náà lọ rí ìdí lọ́ọ̀sìn ṣé kò ṣe like father like son ní báyìí ṣé kò ṣe like father like son ó ga ó ga fún yín o ó lágbára gan o justice is a must o DNA yẹn is a must DNA is a must kò sí nǹkan tẹ́ máa fi ṣe kò síbi tẹ́ fẹ́ yẹ̀ sí Wùmí wàá ṣe DNA yẹn ó gbọ́mọ dání ọmọ ẹyẹ òkè bí ẹyẹ eku òkè bí eku fún ẹ mọ́ kò sí àwọn tí gbogbo àwọn jọ́jìsì yìí àti lọ́ọ̀yà ni o àti tó ló ń jẹ́ dáńkú ara wa ní ìjìnlẹ̀ pánpán okó bá wọn náà ni wọ́n lè rìn láàrin ẹgbẹ́ mọ́ wọ́n lè sọ̀rọ̀ kan dá ṣáká mọ́ láàrin ẹgbẹ́ ìyẹn Fálànà gbogbo wọn ló ṣáà ń kó bá kò kúkú nǹkan tó máa jẹ náà kúkú ni nǹkan tó máa jẹ ló ń kó bá wọn yẹn bọ̀tìgbà tí Fálànà rí wípé Fálànà jẹ dragging ta ló jẹ dragging tó Fálànà náà Fálànà àti Ṣítù àwọn méjèèjì yẹn wọ́n jẹ parí bá kúyà àwọn méjèèjì yẹn jẹ parí tọ́ bá padà wá sí ayé wọn ò ní máa ṣe irú iṣẹ́ òṣì tán ṣe yẹn wọn ò ní ṣe irú iṣẹ́ òṣì tí wọ́n ṣe yẹn. Báwo lẹ ṣe wíkẹ́ẹ̀tì báyìí Nigerian lawyers báwo lẹ ṣe wíkẹ́ẹ̀tì èyí tó wà òkè lára yín wọn ò tó nǹkankan èyí tó wà òkè lára yín wọn ò tó nǹkankan Nigerian judge ẹ̀yin jọ́ọ̀jì wèrè tẹ́ kóra yín jọ olè ló pọ̀ jù láàrin yín ló pọ̀ jù láàrin yín ẹ wo bí Ṣónúgà ẹ wo bó ṣe báyé ara ẹ̀ jẹ́ kí ló dé iṣẹ́ tí Fálànà ṣe tó ń gbé pátì ó gbé tìṣẹ́gbẹ́ kan ni ó sá eré kábákábá lé dànù alẹ́ sígbó ni ìyàwó ẹ̀ gan-an Ṣítù náà the same thing kẹ́rìí pé bóyá wà ń bíbá wa ṣeré bíbá ilé ẹ̀ máa tọ́jú tá a ti wà ń bí ni ṣó possible kéèyàn máa tẹnu mọ́ nǹkan kan kéèyàn máa sọ pé Mohbad every time justice for Mohbad ṣó easy ni ká máa tẹnu mọ́ nǹkan ẹyọ kan like going to 3 years ẹ̀yin wá wà ń bẹ̀ àwa ń ṣiṣẹ́ ń bẹ̀ yín ló ń gbowó oṣù àwa ń fẹ́ fún apariwo bíbẹ̀ yín ẹ̀yìn ẹ̀ jókòó sórí chíà ẹ gbé wíìgì tọ̀ tí ó máa rùn ní wíìgì ẹ̀ máa rùn irun orí yín yẹn tẹ́ẹ̀kì ń fọ yẹn tẹ́ẹ̀kì ń gẹ̀ dáadáa kẹ́ kírìmù ẹ wá ẹ máa dé wíìgì sọnù ẹ máa dé wíìgì tó ti tángù wíìgì tó ní irun tó nídùn wíìgì onídùn ẹ dé wíìgì onídùn sórí ẹ bẹ́ẹ̀ sí ni ẹ máa dájọ́ kìíní ìkànnì ìnà kò dáná it's not good kò dáná ẹ tí ẹ fẹ́ mọ̀ pé ọmọ yẹn ṣì wà ní morgue bẹ́ẹ̀ tí ẹ mọ̀ gan ẹ máa wò pé kò kàn mí kẹ́yìn ti gba títí yín ni kẹ́ ti máa lọ chop I chop you chop I chop you chop I chop lẹ́ máa ṣe ìkà ní ìkà ẹ̀yin ìkà burúkú yìí ṣé nǹkan tẹ̀ ń ṣe yẹn dáa ṣé nǹkan láàrin èèmà àti yín George àbí magistrate Sonuga ṣé nǹkan tẹ̀ ń ṣe yẹn ṣó dáa corruptible judge.